Hi friends, welcome back to my Learning Points YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about PHP if-else. This is a very basic conditional statement. If-else is generally used to check a special condition, and with that condition the program logic will change direction. In this diagram we can understand there is two statements, one is true and one is false. If the result is true, then it will execute the true statement of the program, and if the condition is false, it will return the false statement, and after that it will execute the left of the part. So this is the basic syntax. In the if condition we have to write the condition in brackets, and we have to open and close the statement, and we have an else part where the false part will be executed. So I am taking, suppose age is a variable, and I am taking age equal to 17, and I am creating a logic. If age is more than 60, then I am echoing that you become old. You become old. It's time to rest. And otherwise we are writing echo you are young. You are young. So now in this example I am declaring the age is 70, and I am writing a condition. If age is greater than 60, the condition will be true. So if we run this program, we can see the output from if statement, means true statement. Otherwise you will get the false. So in this example we will get the true statement. So if we run this program, we can see you became old. It's time to rest, means your age is more than 60. So if we change the value, suppose your age is 30, that means this condition will not fulfill. This condition will appear when the age is exceeds 60. So now this condition will false. So if we run this program, it will output as you are young. Means basically if condition returns, if the condition is true, it will output the true statement. Suppose it's very simple. If we write the true here, always this condition will be true, and we can see the output. You become old, it's time to rest. We can change to false. If the statement is false, it will not enter to the true statement. It will run the you are young, means in the false statement. So if we run this program, we can see you are young. So we can get a very basic idea about the if else. Now the if condition alone can be run, means sometimes if we don't need to write else or false statement, we can write only if statement, means this statement also can be run. Suppose I am using echo, this is simple program part. So here we can see if we run this program, then my age is more than 60, that is 70, so the condition is true. Means when you run this program, we can see that true. As it is true, we can see this statement also, and we can see this statement too. We can see you became old, it's time to rest. This is simple program part. If the age is 30, that means if condition return the false statement, then it will not execute. It will execute simply. This is a simple part. So if we run this program, it will see this is the simple program part. We can write multiple if-else condition. Suppose this condition is true, that means it will run the true statement. After that it will go to false. When it goes to false, we can write another if condition. In the false condition, if the another conditions become true, it can run true statement, and if not true even, it will go to the false statement. So here we can see the age is 70. So now I am adding another condition, that is else if. I am writing if age is 30, I am printing it's time to start your business. That means when I will provide the age is 70, then this program will run, you become old and it's time to rest. When my age is more than 30 but less than 60, that means suppose I am taking 40, that means this condition is false. So I am entering the false condition of this if part. So false condition of this if part is the rest of the part. So in the false statement I am writing if age is more than 30, it is time to start your business. So now my age is 40. So this condition will fulfill. That means this will print. So if my age is 40, then it's time to start your business. So we can write multiple if-else statements in our program. Hope you understand the basic if-else concept. Keep watching this tutorial. Next day I will discuss about PHP switch case. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Don't forget to comment if you have any doubts. I will try to answer you each and every question. So we'll meet you next tutorial. Thank you.